来看太空旅游公司维珍银河昨午飞第2座的商业飞行，这嘛是头一届甲观光客送到无重力的太空。3个升级，其中有一个是今年80岁英国前奥运的国手，伊嘛伫太空中甲安全带松开，享受无重力的状态。一座大约是8点外钟哦，飞一座就要上千万的台票。
一架在太空船的运输机起飞，这是维珍银河进行第2座太空商业飞行任务，叫做银河控制。伫起飞50分钟了后，太空船按照计划甲运输机分离。
3, 2, 1, release, release, release。
由火焰驱动的太空船载3名一般的乘客，开始往海拔80公里高度飞。这是维珍银河第一摆将观光客送去无重力太空。3人当中包含一个80岁英国前奥运国手古德芬。
A completely surreal experience, but the most impressive thing was looking at Earth from space. Just the pure clarity, the pure was very moving.
Oh my gosh.
Quite surreal. Without a doubt, the most exciting day of my life.
So everybody on board has been cleared to unstrap and enjoy that zero-G experience.
古德温伫2005年买这张机票，煞伫2014年得到帕金森氏症，也互伊成做史上第2位去入太空的患者。另外一个母女是透过抽奖活动幸运去太空。
Anna, you're also the youngest person to have ever gone to space. And today, we saw the most women flown in a single mission to space. And so, history making for so many reasons.
Like you felt like a part of the team, a part of the ship, a part of the universe, a part of Earth. It was incredible and
伫经过点外钟的飞行了后，3人顺利飞回来。伫美国太空港降落，维珍太空目前已经列接差不多800名候钱客户，会陆续伫未来送因去太空。2005年一开始的票价伫20到25万美金，2年前重新搁卖票，票价一捆头是起到45万美金，合台票超过1430万。公司新闻，陈慧珍报道。